It's got a little trick here if you've not got a track saw or a jig to cut perfect rips off of a bit of timber. Let's get started. Like and subscribe. Let's see how it's done. So first of all, you want to mark your cut for where you're going to be putting your straight edge, taking into account the width of where it's going to cut on the saw. So it's going to cut here, so we're going to measure this plus the bit that we want to rip off the timber. So that happens to be 50 mil, so our cut's going to be back here somewhere. Mark up both sides. So now we're going to clamp a straight edge onto here, which is where the side of our saw is going to run along to give us a perfect cut. Just clamp it up like so, nice and tight so it doesn't slip. Doesn't matter if your straight edge is a bit dirty, as long as it's straight and this edge is clean all the way down. If you're interested, we're using the DeWALT, there's the gubbins on it, information, DCS 391 on a 4 amp hour battery, 18 volt, and the battery is not quite fully charged, about 60-70%, something like that. 2 out of 3 lights. That is not the brushless circular saw. So you can see here where the saw is coming down, that's where we're cutting, and we're going to get a perfect thickness the whole way down on our rip, as long as you've got the straight edge in the right place. So as you can see, we got a perfect rip all the way down the side of this timber.